nagbabalik din sa ating programa, si Liza Schreider. Hi! Welcome back!
Hi, Gretchen, Senator, Ding Dong.
At kita mo naman ang Farrah Fawcett hair niya.
Congratulations on your anniversary.
Yes, congratulations to you. Dahil ito yung, ano ba Ding Dong? Pakisabi kung ano ngayon si Liza. She is now the winner of the Miss Philippines contest, di ba?
Yes.
Organized international.
And magko-compete ka?
Yes.
Di ba the last time, sorry to interrupt you, you were just promoting this, di ba?
Actually, the first time, it was us, husband and wife, as the fitness couple. But now, I'm the half.
Yes.
No, I'm the Mrs. And I'm competing in the Mrs. International pageant in Chicago on July 21. I'm representing the Philippines.
Wow, good luck.
Yes.
Alam mo,
And I owe it to fitness.
Yearly ba yan?
Yes, sir. In the States and actually in all other, most countries in the world.
Hindi, pero for the Philippines.
For the Philippines, sir, unfortunately, we do not have a local organizer here. So what happens is that we send our application to the pageant, to the executive directress herself. And she, who is based in the States, siya yung namimili.
So how can she base it when she can see you? Ano yan? By the cassette or that you send?
We send an application, so lahat ng dapat malaman tungkol sa amin. And of course, they check us out, our background, at kakausapin kami over the phone. Kasi ang criteria, intelligence or interview is 50%, 25%, that's 50%, no? Then 25% evening gown competition, during which ito yung cute yung husbands ang nag-escort sa respective wives.
So kasama si
yes,
Chick.
my
Your
half, yes, better pa, sir. And it gets better. Tapos yung last 25%, fitness wear competition naman. And sir, Gretch, Ding Dong, yung age range is very wide, 21 to 56 years old.
Wow.
Na married women. So, tinitingnan nila hindi yung edad, kundi yung woman, married woman in totality. Sana ganun din dito sa ating bansa.
Kasi kung
Sana
talagang,
every year.
Alam mo, Gretch, kung talagang Ding Dong, di ba? If you try to visualize, no? It's just talking about 25 to 55, ba?
21 to 56.
21?
Yes.
21 to 56, okay.
Yes.
If you're in between, you're in your 40s, mahirap kalaban yung 21 years old. Dahil nandun pa yung, without
Of
really,
course.
just, let's put it this way, I'm just gonna tell the truth, di ba? Pag bata ka, siyempre ibang dating mo. Di ba? Pero looking at you, you look like you're less than 21 years old.
You're very nice. Thank you, but probably in terms of physique,
yes,
and strength, and tenacity of body, mind, and spirit, yes. Yes. Of course, in sa face, kasi I'm a natural person, so talagang, you know naman, ever since, diba, we just eat smart, we exercise regularly, we decide to be happy. So, the wrinkles are there. Siyempre, kasama yan sa buhay At saka,
Pero yung tinatawag naman na aging gracefully, di ba?
Yes.
ano sasabihin mo, Ding Dong Marco?
I agree.
It's because I think we're of the same age
Yeah, actually, pareho kami ng birth date.
Yes.
As in sabay na sabay?
Same year.
Okay.
I'm turning
Same
46, by the way, tomorrow.
Woo! That's
And
happy
I'm
birthday.
proud of my age. I'm happy.
It's your birthday tomorrow, did you
Yes,
say?
yes,
Oh.
Senator.
Meron mo tayo, happy birthday. That's what I said.
And my life is just starting, so there's really no age limit
Siguro yung bentahin natin dun sa age range natin over mas batang contestant. Siguro yung disiplina.
At saka yung wisdom.
Oo, yung mga experiences
Yes.
sa buhay.
Yung character.
Diba?
Mukhang we complement each other. Parang we speak. We're on the same page.
Ayan yung idol ko, nakaupo.
Pareho tayo.
Institution!
Oh.
The legendary!
Correct.
para akong
Si
building
Senator
na
ang classic example
Yes.
ng
Clean living.
clean living, fitness, and aging
I wanna be
gracefully.
like you when I grow up.
Natuto na sa akin. alam mo.
Mababato ako ng bote dito.
Huwag mo sasabihin, I wanna be like you when I grow old. Iba na ngayon ang salita.
Grow up.
I wanna be like you when I grow old.
Oo.
Sabi ko, up, hindi
Yun na nga,
old.
kaya nga sabi ko, congratulations. Lisa, do you do yan?
Honestly, this might be the first time that Sydney and I will ding dong here, iniimbita kami.
Mag-cardio
Oo.
tayo. Kahit walking naman, basta tapusin lang natin.
Ikaw
Pwede.
talaga, panay ka din. Alam mo, Ding Dong, kanina sabi niya, alam mo, I'm into running. Hey, very good. How many times did you run? One.
Once this week, mamaya dahil dyan, tatakbo ko talaga.
Sundan natin.
But
kung
Lisa,
saan
how
siya
do we,
pupunta.
how can we support you dito sa Mrs. International?
Yes, please. Sana po, supportahan niyo ko, mga private individuals or companies po na naniniwala sa ganda at talino ng married Filipinas. Mga Filipinas po na may pamilya na, may asawa at mga anak, na kaya pa rin po namin, kaya nating mga kababaihan na may asawa na makapag-compete sa buong mundo.
Meron ba yung online poll? Di ba usually?
Yes,
So,
yes.
so ano, we can
Yes.
vote for you.
Yes, please. Online voting starts on April 1.
Okay.
I really need as much support as possible, lalo na wala tayong pageant organizers here. And this is something that will inspire married women, di ba? Something to look
Oo,
forward to.
That's right.
Now, there's more to us than just, well, of course, we can be the greatest moms and wives and even co-breadwinners for that matter, di ba?
Mm.
Pero we still owe it to ourselves to realize our own dreams and make a difference. Yung something positive naman, especially to lift up our image dito at saka sa buong
Yes.
bansa
Pero alam mo,
at buong mundo.
Lisa, you are into bodybuilding, no?
Fitness, sir, yes, bodybuilding in a sense, pero yung feminine pa rin, kasi tayo,
Yes.
kasi gusto pa rin natin yung feminine pa rin ang dating.
Yes, kasi alam mo bakit? Yung kumparing Arnie ko, may sinabi dito.
Oh, si Arnie.
Si Arnie.
Close na, tinext ka na naman ni Arnie.
Hindi lang ko tinext.
At former California governor.
Ayan.
And si
Sabihin natin,
Terminator, si Arnold
Schwarzenegger.
Schwarzenegger.
Ano sabi ni paring Arnie?
I translate mo bodybuilding is much like any other sport. To be successful, you must dedicate yourself 100% to your training, diet, and mental approach.
Ayan. Yun naman pala. Huwag na natin i-translate. Pero ang sinasabi niya.
Haba ng text, ah.
Oo eh. It's very important talaga. Kung ikaw ay papasok sa bodybuilding, just like any other sport, di ba? Kahit anong pasukan ng sport talaga, kailangan talaga para for you to be able to become successful, kailangan yung dedication mo ay hindi lang 90%, 100%, kailangan ibigay mo, lalo-lalo na pag ikaw ay nagte-train, pati yung diet, pati yung sa
Of
pagkain
course,
mo.
you are what you eat.
And yung mental toughness, yung mental approach mo, mahalaga yun. Okay, tapos na tayo dyan. Balik tayo kay Lisa.
At
Lisa,
saka-
is there anything more you want to say? Because we have
Oo.
the last 3 minutes of our program.
Yes, thank you. Sabi mo nga, Gretch, na yung support. Sana supportahan din ako ng ABS-CBN and DZMM to possibly guest in your shows. Kasi TV is still the best medium. Sir, Gretch, with your permission, I'd like to thank lang the few good people who was earliest now
Go
in
ahead.
helping me.
Yes.
SM for my outfit, Body Shop, Carissa in particular for my makeup. Dati ako lang di ba? Remember? Tapos my hair naman by Asta Urban Salon Metro East. Dati yung anak ko.
Na nandito
Carissa,
ngayon.
yes. And
Dapat i-try mo yung basement.
Correct.
Actually, yes, I did ask the good senator.
No, it's approved.
Oh, thank you on air. Thank you, sir.
Approved.
Thank you, sir. I'll take you up on that.
Sige, sige.
Thank you po. And Galvez Clinics and Dr. Jen Yalung of Gentle Dental. That's why I can smile this way. And Dr. Pam D. And all our friends, gym mates, and neighbors, and supporters who believe in me and in my cause.
Alam.
Lisa, mag-guest ka sa Sports Talk sa ANC. We'll hook that
Yes,
up. Oo,
please,
so you can
please,
ask for
Gretch.
more support.
I can, I really appreciate all the help I can get. It's not easy, hindi po madali Kasi parang nag-iisa lang ako. But I know that with God's help and with every good-hearted Filipinos' help,
Yes.
we'll pull this through.
I'm sure we would.
Opo.
Ding dong, Mark.
Salamat.
Absolutely.
Senator, samantalahin ko na rin kasi katabi ko si Ding Dong at birthday ko tomorrow.
Yes.
Sabi ko sa kanya pag kailangan niya ng filler or substitute, maybe he can consider Sydney and Me. It's a novelty. Diba? Fitness couple, married couple, on
Yes.
fitness, life, and everything else
I'm sure
under the sun.
Ding Dong has it in his head right now. Nandun na. Di ba,
Yes.
Ding Dong?
Everything happens for the best. Parang we're soulmates eh.
Mm.
And age mates.
Of course.